To download the app, head to the website and click on Our App. Scroll down until you select Download from the App Store if you have an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can go ahead and click Download and it will start to download the Modern Prairie app. Once it's done, go ahead and click Open and get started. Then we have our privacy policy. Please read through the privacy policy, scroll on through, and make sure that you are familiar with all of our guidelines. After, go ahead and select I agree on the bottom. Then go ahead and enter your email and password. Then you'll be prompted to update your profile. Go ahead and change your photo and your name. Your name is your screen name or username, and that will show up whenever you make posts on the app. For your first name and last name initial, that is a great way to use your actual name so that people can know what your screen name is versus who you are. Feel free to enter whatever you'd like. For this, I am saying I am Modern Prairie App Demo. And I'm also putting my location. Feel free to enter your city and state. I am putting North Carolina. I'm putting my year of birth, and I am also putting what groups I'm interested in, and I am interested in them all. So then I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And my profile is now updated. These are the welcome slides. They tell you how to navigate the app, all of the groups that are available, community content, how to join different groups and communities so that you can start interacting with people in different groups. And you can also use hashtags to find different content. So you can create your first post in the app after going through all of the welcome slides. So you can click Next on the bottom right corner. And once you have done all of that, there is going to be a little button that says I agree or I accept and get started. If you'd like notifications, go ahead and click accept or allow, and welcome to the homepage of the Modern Prairie app. If you go ahead and click welcome here, it will bring you back to those first tutorial slides, and everyone is inside of the group called Modern Prairie. It is our general discussion board, our main feed. We also have all of our upcoming events, so you can register for upcoming events that some live in the app only, and some are available to the outside community as well. We also have FAQs, just in case you need another little tutorial to learn how to navigate the app. If you want to join a group, go ahead and click on it and select the button Join, and now you are a member of Prairie Pages, as you can see here. You'll be able to view everything, but you cannot post until you confirm your email address. So this popped up. I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to go into my email address, as you see here. And I'm going to click this button that says Confirm My Account. I'm going to open it in my preferred browser. Now it tells me that my email has been confirmed. If I click Continue, it will have me log in on the web, but I can also go back into the app, which I'm opening up here, and now I can hit the little plus button on the bottom, and it allows me to pick which discussion board I want to make a post in. Right now, I am only a member of the main board and Prairie Pages, so I am typing up my very first post. If I want to add a photo from my camera reel, I can do that. If I want to add a GIF, I can add a GIF. So I'm going to search in I'm excited because I'm so excited to be in this community. And I'm going to find a GIF that matches how I'm feeling right now. And I think the woman jumping on the beach is my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and I'm going to hit select. And now that GIF is attached to my post. If I want to take a picture or a video, I can click the camera button. But if everything looks good, I can click post, and then it will pop up on the feed. Feed is organized either by hottest or trending, and then listed latest. And that's in the order that things are posted in. I also have notifications, so I can check out new things. I can leave comments. There's my post. And then there are other groups in the home page. So everyone is a member of Melissa's Corner, where Melissa posts herself and no one else does. And then another group is Heart to Heart. If I want to join other groups, I can peruse. And that is how you navigate and create an account on the Modern Prairie app. Thanks, everyone.